Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well and enjoying good health. I welcome to all of you in the next English lecture of class 6, which has been taken from your Oxford Bartleby course book. It's the unit number 3, section number 1, and the topic is Major Langlands from page 57 to 58. Come towards its introduction. This is an inspiring story about a British major who came to British India in 1944 and chose to stay back as a teacher. At the age of 92, he was running a school in Chitral, Pakistan. Geoffrey Langland's former pupils include several Pakistani political leaders, sportsmen, generals, and academics. Dear students, when you will read this lesson thoroughly, so you will come to know that how Major Langlands came to the subcontinent and why he decided to stay in Pakistan after the partition of Pak India. He was a teacher. He opened a school in Chitral and many of his students are working in many fields. Now come towards the next heading of words meanings. First word is plateau. The meaning is an area of high ground with a flat surface. Second one is frail, physically weak, resisted, stood firm against something. Imparting, the transmission of information. Authoritative, confident, someone who is obeyed. Next heading is word sentences. First word is plateau. The road straightened and we were on the plateau. Frail. Oliver was becoming frail due to illness. Resisted. A healthy diet should help your body to resist infection. Imparting. Imparting of historical knowledge is their job. Authoritative. Fagin speaks in an authoritative voice. Dear students, these were the 5 words, meanings and sentences. Now come towards the heading of question answers. It's the page number 58, 59. Heading is learn to read 1 and the first question is, how did Major Langlands arrive in the subcontinent? And the answer is, Major Langlands arrived in the subcontinent as a young man on a troop career. Question number 2 is, Major Langlands began his teaching career at. There are the 3 options and the option number B is the correct one. Combe Hill House Prep School, London. Question number 3 is, what does Major Langland's daily routine tell you about him? And the answer is, Major Langland's daily routine tells us that he is a very punctual and disciplined person. After question number 3, come towards the question number 5. Major Langlands is a living legend. What achievements make Major Langlands a legend? And the answer is, Major Langlands is a living legend because of his extraordinary contribution to education in Pakistan. After question number 5, come towards the next question number 8. Even if the school finds another person, it can never be another Major Langlands. What qualities do you think a person should have to be like Major Langlands? And the answer is, a person should have these qualities like Major Langlands, and the qualities are devotion, hard work, discipline, sincerity, loyalty, and patience. Dear students, these were the question answers. Now come towards the home task. You have to write and learn the words meanings, word sentences, and question answers 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8 of unit number 3, section number 1 means Major Langlands in the English literature notebook. Hopefully you have understood it. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.